guess connected with security, because when we are talking about transformation of international order, security is number one in a different perspective. So we are welcome very warmly Tokarczyk, director of the Polish Security Association, and Professor Piotr Gawliczek, director of the NATO DeepE Academy. And I welcome all participants, not only from Pakistan and Poland, because this conference is really international. There are participants not only, if you are talking about Poland, not only from our university. May I mention Warsaw University, the Polish Academy of Sciences, Jagiellonian University, Polish Geopolitical Association, University of Zielona Góra, Maria Curie Skłodowska University in Lublin, University in Białystok, University of Łódź. And from Pakistan, the list is also quite long. Karakorum International University and Gilgit International Islamic University, Islamabad, Institute of Strategic Studies in Islamabad, of Modern Languages in Islamabad, Muslim Youth University, South Asia Research Institute for Minorities, University of Karachi, Air University in Islamabad, and there are members, retired members of military and government institution. And also there are participants from other countries, from Georgia and Turkey, Hasan Kalecioğlu University, Mersin University of Mersin, Center for Middle Eastern Studies, Istanbul Aydın University, Hong Kong Zhuhai College, Sichuan University, National Chengchi University. So this list is quite long. We organize plenary session and 12 panels, today's conference, and I would like to inform you that was given by our rector, Professor Jerzy Andrzej Przyborowski, and also rector, Professor Zabdakan Shinwari. So we, okay, applause should be. And we have obtained a patronage from our Dean of the Faculty of Social Sciences, Professor Joanna Ostroł-Kamińska, the President of Alumni Association University, Dr. Bolesław Pilarek, the President of the Provincial Fund for Environmental Protection and Water Management in Olsztyn, Mr. Bartosz Nowicki. And I would like to mention they helped us not only in logistic way, but also in financial. And the next patronage came from the Institute of Policy Studies in Islamabad, the Polish Political Science Association, the Polish Geopolitical Association, Regional Center for International Debate in Olsztyn, and also we have also obtained patronage from media, the Polish television branch in Olsztyn, the University News Journal, Radio UWM-FM, and Kortowo Television. And of course, this conference, before conference, it was a lot of work, and I would like to thank you very much, the organizing for their great job, especially many thanks to Professor Dr. Faisal Javait from Karachi and Dr. Magdalena Kumelska-Koniecko as a leader of this committee. And without them, it could be impossible to organize such conference. And very quickly, very shortly about our aim, we would like to tackle the problem of transformation international order in different perspective, not only including superpowers, but also other actors of international relations, especially from global south. And for us, it's very important to investigate the problem from the perspective of Poland, as situated in central and Pakistan as a country situated in Asia. So this is a short introduction to our conference, and then it's time for welcome addresses of our distinguished guests. And once more, thank you for your participation. And